Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another brand new unboxing to share with you, and it is the single swag. This is how it arrives in the post. Now this box has been mentioned to me numerous times, so I thought it was about time that I take a look. Now this box is based in the US, but they do ship worldwide. So if you're new to single swag, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in this box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. As the name suggests, really, the single swag subscription box focuses on single women. They believe that a woman's happiness is determined by their outlook and attitude and not by relationship status. They bring out these subscription boxes monthly, and the cost of the box is $39.99. Now when I signed up for it, I had a discount code. I can't remember what it was. I've had a look on my account, can't see what I used. I did order it really late at night. It was an impulse buy, so I can't remember much about it in all honesty. So they offer you two boxes. There's the single swag box, which will contain 7 to 8 items a month, or they do a single swag petite box, which contains 4 to 5 items a month, and that one will cost you $24.99. If you opt for a rolling monthly subscription, you can cancel any month as long as you do it before the 15th of the month, and they offer a 3 and 6 month subscription as well. All items are full size, and the boxes contain organic beauty, delicious treats, jewellery and accessories, and lots of exciting surprises. There was no customs charges when I received this box, and I do have a refer a friend code, which I'll pop down in description. So I'll pop that code and all links and everything related to this subscription. I'll pop that down in my description. So underneath this video, see show more, if you click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. And I also forgot to say that they have an online shop as well. So I think that's it as far as information goes. So I have gone for the larger box, which contains 7 to 8 items, and I've already had a look inside, so I can't wait to show you. So let's open it up. I'll give you a quick sneak peek. It smells absolutely gorgeous. There's a little card here that details all the information about the products, and it tells you the overall value of the box, which is $211. There's 8 items inside, and it says, don't be afraid to give yourself everything you've ever wanted. Relax, smile, and enjoy this month's special surprise just for you. Now you're probably wondering, why am I getting this when you may already know that I'm married and I've got a couple of kiddies? Well, who says I can't get this box? Who says? It's the products, isn't it, really? But one of the main reasons I'm getting it is because I've had a lot of you ask me to unbox it on my channel, plus the boxes that I have seen I've been really impressed with. So whether I'm married or not, doesn't matter. And it says here on the back, win your next box by posting a photo on Instagram and tagging single swag. So I'll refer to this as we go along. So the first item in the box is a soap, a loofah soap and acai berry extract fragrance, and this is a polish and cleanse 100 grams. Now this smells absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I'm gonna have to open it up. I've tried a sponge soap before and they're fab. They're really great. But this is a loofah. This would be perfect for like your feet or something like that, isn't it? Look at that. Can you see through there? Oh my gosh. It's so nice. It is so nice. Oh, it just reminds me of a nice fruity ice lolly. So this loofah soap will cost you $8. This 2-in-1 product combining a soap and loofah is a bath time game changer, allowing you to enjoy a spa-worthy scrub anytime your skin needs a wake-up call. So there's that. Next I got something to eat, and this is, what is this? A Smashmallow marshmallow rice treats, and this is Smash Crispy mint chocolate chip. It's nut free and it's gluten free as well. Give you a close up. Now I'm going to try this. I absolutely love anything minty and chocolate. It's mint chocolate. Look at that. I just want to sniff it first. That is lovely. Oh, just mint chocolate. Oh, I love it. Yum, yum, yum. Right, here goes. It's a little bit weird, as in, when you first eat it, it feels like you're chewing nothing. As in, there's no taste. It's really like, I don't know, it's just really bizarre. I'm going to keep it for after. But then you can taste the chocolate and the mint, and I've got like a really nice minty aftertaste now. So to buy this, it'll cost you $4. Crunchy, chewy and ooey gooey. This epic smash up is made from high quality, simple ingredients and is too delicious to not immediately devour. Gluten and soya free. Then I've got these. Now this is by the brand Cheezos. And they're inflatable unicorn cup holders. A set of 2. It says here, perfect to share. 1 magical and fun inflatable cup holder for you and 1 to share with someone you love, unless you want to double up. Keep your cans, cups and bottles close by and secure so that they are ready when you need them. Use in the pool, at a beach, on the lake or in a tub. And produce using high quality and durable PVC. Oh my god, look at that. Look at those. Let me try and blow one up for you. Try not to get one lipstick on it. Oh, this is going to be... Hold on. Oh. It is cute, isn't it? It is cute, but I don't know. I don't know how that would work. I think maybe if you put a can or a can of beer or something, it will weight it down. So then it'll... I don't know, I'm going to have a go in the bath. I'll take my phone in the bath with me, put on some YouTube videos and get a can of beer or something like that and try it out. We have got a hot tub coming. We hired a hot tub for a couple of weeks' time, just for a long weekend and just as a bit of a treat. I don't know whether I'd feel safe using them in a hot tub, especially if there's a few of us in there, because you think, you know, the water's like going to be like this. I don't know. Do you use them? Do you use them? Let me know what you think of them. Whether they're just a pointless gimmick or they are actually really handy. So to buy the set of 2, it'll cost you $18. It just says, simply inflate these mythical drink holders that are perfect for use in the pool, at the beach, and blah, 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 what I just read. So we got 2 of those. Next, I got 100% natural, and this is by Think Straight. It's a pure essential oil remedy, and it's 15 mils there. And it just says, apply to the temples. When headaches occur, reapply as needed. It's got more information on the back there, which I'll read. A superb blend of natural aromatherapy for head tensions, and it contains peppermint, rosemary and cajuput. I've had a few of these pulse point oils before and they're really nice. They are really nice. I can't really say if they... Oh! Ooh, it's leaking. It's leaking there. I forgot to show you. You've got like a roller ball there. So you just put it on your pulse points and your temples. If you've got a headache. That's nice. It's nice. I can smell the peppermint. Yeah, it's not a really strong, overpowering smell. That is really nice, actually. Okay, so I'm gonna be careful with that because it is leaking a little bit there. Maybe the lid wasn't on tight enough or something. So to buy this roller, it'll cost you $29, and it says, nourish your mind and body with this pure essential oil remedy infused with black pepper and basil essential oils to relieve stress, while lavender and roman chamomile essential oils help to calm anxiety. Here's that. Next, we got some jewellery. I love a subscription box that has a random mix of things. I love it. But unfortunately, I don't like this. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's a necklace and earring set. I just don't like tassels. I don't mind little mini tassels, like I've got a layered necklace and it's got a little bit of a tassel, tiny little bit of a tassel. But any big tassels like this, you know when the tassel earrings were in fashion? I don't know if they still are or not. I don't pay much attention, as you could probably tell. I just wear whatever. But I don't like it. I just don't like it. And I don't like those colours. The purple's nice, but oh, I don't know. I don't like that brown with the purple. Ooh, saying that, it's a nice long chain. Oh, you can see what I've just done. See my scratch? I did it with my ring here. Just went, whoosh, accident, but I didn't realise for a while. And then it started stinging. But anyway, it's a nice long chain. So I don't usually wear gold tones. I do wear it now and again, but not often. But maybe I could change the pendant and put something else on the bottom there. Not all is wasted. Not all. The cost of this set is $62. Now, I don't mean to be rude, but it looks really cheap. It feels really cheap. I am really surprised. What's the brand? Lily Sky Designs. I'm sorry, Lily Sky. I am really shocked at that. The chain doesn't feel like a great quality chain, you know? What is it? $62. Would you pay $62 for this? Anyway, make a statement with this fun, stylish long necklace and earrings set in gold. Necklace measures 30 inches with a 3-inch extender. I'm going to keep the chain. I'll pass on the earrings and I'll pass on the tassel as well, but I'm going to keep the chain. So there's that. Next, I got a product that I've received before, and this is by Larizzi Cosmetics, and this is a dew pot, and this is in shade Glory, and I haven't had this shade before. It's a gold toned shade. It's more like a corally pink sort of shade, and I didn't think much to it. Oh, that is much nicer. Definitely more my tone there. It'd be nice on the eyelids or a little bit of highlight on certain areas of your face. So yeah, so this would cost you $20, and it says loaded with ultrafine shimmer, this smooth blendable highlighter will keep you dewy all day. Designed to enhance skin tones, this effortless formula can be used whenever you want an extra touch of light. So is that. Next we got a hydrating hand cream by the brand Tarocco. Sicilian blood oranges and sandalwood. Now I've already received where did I get it from? Is it FabFitFun? Sicilian blood orange hand cream. I just love anything fruity. Oh, I just love it. It just makes me happy. I had cravings when I was pregnant. I had cravings of citrus fruits, mainly lemons and oranges, but I wanted lemon shower. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, that is so nice. It reminds me of like a natural fizzy orange pop. Like a sparkling frizzy orange juice, you know? Oh, that's so nice. That is so nice. But yeah, when I was pregnant, I had to have like lemon shower gel, lemon hand cream, Tesco value lollies, the lemonade ones, the orange ones. Oh, I couldn't get enough of them. Lemon perfumes, the lot. And I just thought it would be a pregnancy thing. I've always loved it, but I thought it was a pregnancy thing, but no, I still love it. Yeah, it feels okay, but I wouldn't say it's very luxurious then compared to some of the other hand creams I've tried before. The other orange hand cream I had, which I think it was in FabFitFun. Now that was gorgeous. It just instantly like felt gorgeous on my hand. So to buy this hand cream, it will cost you $22. This rich velvety hand cream loaded with volcanic minerals, Sicilian oranges and natural oils will soothe and protect your skin while leaving it silky smooth and bursting with vitality. For a deep hydrating experience, massage lotion into hands and fingers, paying close attention to the cuticle areas. So there's that. And lastly, I got a pouch. So that's what it looks like. You can see it's like gold and bronze. Let's open it up. It's waterproof, no zip compartments or anything. And this is by the brand, let me see, Sienna May. I'll just read it first to see more about it. It's a Nora zipper pouch, and this will cost you $48. My gosh, 48. Way more than just a cosmetics pouch. This sleek, travel-friendly pouch with a tassel zipper will keep your everyday essentials safe and secure. As a pouch goes, it's great. It's in good size for holding things, you know, putting skincare, putting makeup and things in there. The style is not me. I would not spend £48 on this anyway. No, not at all. Apologies, Sienna May. You know, you might be a well-known designer and I am, you know, slating your product here, but personal choice, isn't it? We are all different, but yeah, it's a good pouch for pouch's sake, but the design of it is not my cup of tea at all. And yeah, I'm not sure if I will use it or not because I've got a ton of pouches. I've got a load of them. I've just got them in like subscription boxes and things like that over the years, and I've just got a big pile. So yeah, so those are all the products. So I'm just going to gather them all up and I'll be back. So these are all the contents inside my July single swag subscription box. The cost of the box cost me $34.99, which comes to around £27. I did have a little bit of a discount off that, but this would normally cost $39.99. It says there's a value of £211. Some of the items, I'm very shocked at the cost, but you know, I'm not denying it. I don't know. It's the same with like FabFitFun as well. It's like, what? Are they really that cost? And then I go on and do like a bit of research and everything, and yeah, those are the cost of the items. So it's just that I wouldn't pay, like, you know, for the necklace $60 odd. That is a lot of money. So yeah, it's a nice sort of first box, but it's not a wow box. I have seen better boxes, so I am going to subscribe for an August box, and then I'm going to make up my mind to see how that goes. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to Single Swag? What do you think of this month's box compared to other boxes? All your opinions I'd love to know, even if you don't subscribe and you're thinking whether this is a box for you or not. I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.